So, hi, good day everyone. So, I'm here to share my short insight and reflection about the main idea of John Stuart Mill's of utilitarianism. No, so here what I understand of Mill's utilitarianism is based on the greatest happiness of principle. No, which means that actions are right if they promote happiness like pleasure, freedom from pain, no? And wrong if they produce the opposite, no? Sa ako nasabtan lang na niingon si Mill nga happiness is the ultimate moral goal of human life, no? So here I find interesting lang na how Mill's version differ from Bentham's, no? Jeremy Bentham's focus only on the quantity of pleasure, that how much happiness and actions create. But while no, John Stuart Mill's emphasized the quality as well as the quantity, no? Nga he believed that some pleasure like intellectual, moral, emotional ones, no, are kanang pareha ng pagtabang, no, helping others, no, are higher, are more valuable than mere physical action. So makahinumdum lang ko nga niingon siya, nakabasa ko siyang quotes nga na it is better to be a human being dissatisfied than a pig satisfied, no? No, we're so blessed, no, we are nga as a human being, no, nga natay higher emotional intelligence or natay higher thoughts, natay deeper thoughts, no, kaysa sa pig, no, nga wala ra, no, simple lang, no, nga mababaw ra gid kilang kaligayahan, they are easily to be pleased, but mabaw ra gid kilang kaligayahan, unlike sa tuwa kay bawat na makiramdam sa lain tao, no, kay naman tay emotional intelligence, no, natay intellectual intelligence, no, at kitang mga tao, no. For me lang, no, is one strength of utilitarianism lang is that it pushes us to care about others and think about the result of others' choice. But sometimes lang, no, lisod lang jud kaayo to determine and to measure what others makes truly happy, no. Mo ni nakalisod mo share lang ko sa akong experience, no. Si Sir Aquino, no, nagpasalamat jud ko kay dugay na jud kay na siya namo nga professor, no, sa mo ang sa taga SEM na mo, no, dugay na siya namo nga maestro. So every time nga magklase si sir, no, every time nga mosulod siya o before siya magklase, ipa-confiscate jud na niya mo mga cellphones, no, kay because ganan si sir good intention nga maka kuan mi makapaminaw mi tarong maka-focus mi siyang discussion, no, but not everyone might not like it, no, dili tanan tao ganahan na, pero wala sila kahibaw kung unsay benefits ana sa toa, no, unsay benefits ana, no, na para na namo na makawala na mi cellphones, no, makapaminaw mi tarong like moabot ang exams or quizzes ni sir, no, is dali na lang mi maka-answer, no, nga kan kay wa naman, no, kay mo na giingon ni sir nga intellectual masturbation, no, nami nga makasabot na mi, no, kay dali ra man ma-dissect sa mo kay wala naman may kanang maka-distract sa mo, no. So yes, no, I agree with John Stuart Mill's of idea of utilitarianism, no, kay I believe that doing what brings the greatest happiness to the greatest number of people is our moral guide, no. Mo na siya giya sa ato ang pagsunod nga every perspective, no, sa to ang daily life sa to. So marasad to ako ma-share, so thank you.